Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places.
That includes the places and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture.
This is YaadMentz Season 3.
Season 3.
Welcome to another episode in season 3 of YaadMentz.
Yeah.
This episode is actually a very special one because we're actually celebrating our one year anniversary here on YouTube.
Can you imagine?
Yes, it's been a crazy, interesting, lovely, ups and downs journey.
Experience,
definitely.
Growth, everything, the whole works.
Yes, but not only is it our anniversary video today, but we'll be doing our season 3 recap review video, and we'll also have a surprise
at the end, so you have to stay tuned. You have to sit, watch, nobody click the video and click at the end, just watch the entire thing.
Yes, just watch the entire thing, and we'll see you in the next clip.
So, welcome back, guys. Thank you for tuning in. YaadMentz, #YaadMentz. Alright, so for season 3, we did quite a few stuff this season for season 3.
Yeah,
we traveled out of Kingston, far, my favorite place, my favorite spot. So we're going to recap season 3. So I'm going to ask them some questions, which I will answer myself as well. So we're going to start off with what do you think is your funniest moment for season 3?
Alright, so the funniest moment, definitely, absolutely, was when that KFC chicken almost dropped for me in the fast food fried chicken showdown.
Right.
That would have been a disaster because KFC is like mom.
Drop the chicken, she'll feed me and just like she don't want to give me the chicken, she'll wake up for herself. But yeah, I guess that was funny. Alright, for me the funniest moment was when we went to Jules and we were pedaling out into the water, and I kind of let her pedal by herself, and she was like, I can't do this.
He wasn't working as a team. He wasn't pulling his weight, guys.
I just wanted to enjoy the view and not pedal, but she was
I should have done that.
Pedaling, but for me that was funny. Alright, and what about your favorite memory for season 3?
My favorite memory was actually going to Jewel for Sean's birthday. It was a very special day, a very special time, and stuff like that. And we had an awesome time. It was just an awesome day overall, and that's definitely my favorite.
Alright, my favorite memory was John Mark and Laurie's wedding. Where was it? Discovery Bay.
Yeah.
And we went to what's the name of the place?
Bougainville Villa.
Yeah. It was a really nice place.
Yeah, that was a really awesome day.
That was right. So big up John Mark and Laurie again for the wedding. God bless you. Enough blessings. Yeah. Alright, so next thing, your best food. Where you think was your best food that you eat in this season? Which restaurant?
I would say the Terranova. Terranova food always good. I loved it there, loved the buffet, loved the fact that you could just keep going for more, getting more of what you like. Yeah, that's my best.
Well, I would say the same thing. We both kind of like the same things.
Yeah.
So Terranova is definitely my best eat for this season. The food was hands down good. YaadMentz thumbs up. Alright, so moving on. What is your favorite showdown for this season?
My favorite showdown for this season, I think it was still the fried chicken showdown. I think that was I think that was my favorite showdown. Yeah. I always like to see him blindfolded and try guess wrong, because
You know what? The funniest thing, I always guess it right the first time, and then I'm like, I switch it up.
Yes, that's so hilarious.
I need to stop. I'll just go with my flow. Alright.
Yeah,
for me, my favorite showdown was hot chocolate. Because it was fun to see her drinking the hot chocolate, and then I never really mixed them all properly, and then that was my favorite showdown. Alright, moving on. Alright, so who you big up for this season?
Alright, definitely somebody who stood out for sure for shizzle is Regabs, Orisa.
Yeah.
She was commenting on every video. Big up yourself, homegirl, my skillet.
We're over there in Germany.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you for this love and support.
Definitely.
As usual.
Right. big up is Janelle Foster. She has been giving us constructive comments. She, you know, enjoyed watching her videos and laugh at, you know, when I do something that she thinks is funny. So I want to big up Janelle for commenting, and just big up everybody in general, because trust me, the comments really help us to say that, you know, people are watching and they actually care about what we're doing and, you know, want to see us do better and stuff. So big up to everybody for commenting, watching, liking. Enough big up. Season 3.
And I would definitely encourage you guys, you know, who are probably a little timid to comment, because it lets us know that we're doing a good job or that we need to improve on something. So I would encourage you to comment, because it gives us feedback.
Yeah, definitely. So that's our review for season 3.
Yeah.
And now we're going to talk about our year 1 struggles.
Yes,
and
happy
ups and
anniversary to
downs.
us. You know.
Yeah, happy anniversary.
Happy YouTube anniversary.
She never PDA, but
yeah, so we're gonna talk about that. We have written down some points because we really didn't want to forget anything.
Right, and just
so we have them written down. So if you see me looking at my phone, that's why I'm
a piece of paper. Right down.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
All right, so we officially launched our first YaadMentz episode on March 12, 2017.
Last year.
That was actually a pretty cool experience. We're also excited and we're like, wow, this is a new journey for us. You know, it's something that we've always wanted to do.
Right.
And, you know, we're bubbling and excited, and, you know, it was just like, the sky's the limit for us and stuff like that.
It was good.
So our expectations, I guess, we thought a whole lot of people would be watching it. You know, we thought a lot of our friends and stuff would support us and subscribe right away and stuff like that. And we were just so excited on Cloud9.
Yeah.
And we were just like, yes, we have so much to offer, so much more to come.
So much places we want to go to.
Right. And we still haven't gone to everywhere.
Yeah, and we still haven't done everything that we wanted to do. But
reality setting.
Yeah. Reality kicking in the work, so.
Yeah, it really didn't work like that.
Right, and just to every week just to come and set up, it was a struggle as well. When we just started, we basically like filmed the week off and then put it out on the Sunday. So sometimes it's like I be sitting down editing and saving the video. So it was a really struggle just to get the content out. But you know, but we try to find out ways in which to make it better. So for season 2,
what we actually started doing was to film in advance. So during that break between season 1 and season 2, we took the time to film so that when season 2 started back, you know, we had, you know, I guess a library of videos that we could just upload each Sunday and so forth. So that made it a little bit easier on us in terms of editing and putting out the content in time and on time for you guys. Right.
So we just put them on YouTube. So we said, which video we're going to show this week? I would say, all right, we'll show this showdown, I will show another video. So we always edit in advance, film in advance, have them put on, have them ready. So we don't have to rush and say what we're going to do this week.
Right, because anything can happen.
Right. Anything happens. So we can't go on road. So we have to just have something, content for the fans, for the viewers to just say, all right, them are going with something this week, because we know you like the videos, so we actually put in effort in going out and putting them together. It's our joy to do this.
Yes, it is.
Even though it is a lot.
It's a struggle.
Yeah.
But,
we learned some things as well from season 1 coming into season 2 and 3. For season 1, we went on YouTube and we got this song, and then we put it in one of our videos. 2 tools, we get a message from copyright that you can't use this, and we can't put any monetization on our video. And that was our lesson. Like we said, okay, step back, what we're going to do now. So, but fortunately for persons who like to create content, YouTube does deliver or give away free royalty-free music, so you can always use a variety, a variety of songs that you can put in the background of your production. So you can always do that. It's in the settings in YouTube. So trust me, don't just go to see a song and download it, because you know when them copyright or something and you can't get nothing off of it. That was
that's unfortunate, but it's a part of the whole journey. It's a part of the whole learning experience. So another thing that I would say was a struggle for us, or probably still is that here in Jamaica, people are not so forthcoming with people filming.
Right.
They always think about the negative and not about the positive, meaning, you know, this exposure for your company, free advertising, because none of the places that we have gone to, they have offered us free food or anything like that. You know, we had to pay for every single thing. Every place that we went to, we had to pay for it. So it's not like, you know, they were sponsoring us in any way. Right, exactly. So everything that you see us put on here is honest and what we actually really, really genuinely think. So that was a struggle. I remember we went to Devon House to film.
Yeah.
And the security was like, no cameras and whatever. So you guys, sometimes you'd comment and say, why we never see more of the food, or why we never see more of this?
Right.
It's because sometimes we have to be doing it like in secret. Like we have to be being smart about how we're filming and stuff like that, because we still want to get the content. At the end of the day, I feel like Jamaica has a wealth of things, a wealth of experiences to showcase.
Right.
And I feel like, I don't know why people will be stopping that. It's not like we're trying to sell it or anything. We're just trying to show the world what Jamaica has to offer. If you come to Jamaica, this is what you can do, this is what you can't do. Maybe you wouldn't want to do certain things. So, I mean, we still try to get the content out there for you, even though we had that challenge of people like, no filming, put up your camera, and you have to be secretly doing stuff and whatever. But it's all about a good fun.
Right. Or if we go somewhere, they might say, we don't want you to disrupt their customers.
Right.
So sometimes we try to pan for a shot to get a certain view, but they're like, we're just being aware that these people might just don't want us to film.
Yeah.
So we have to just be careful of how we do what we do and how we put out the content. Some places like they welcome like sure film. I remember the last place that we went to for season 3 was in Ocho Roly and we went in and we were like, we can film it, like sure, like film and do whatever.
Open,
So some persons some persons like nah, and other persons like man, come and share and put us out on social media and tag them and stuff. So it was a struggle for these places. So sometimes when you say we really get the shots that you might want to see,
that is why.
These are the reasons. We don't really get the go ahead to do these things, but we want to showcase it because we think it's a good experience for everybody to see what I want, so you can go to yourself and have some fun.
Definitely.
Also, I want to mention as well is the YouTube partnership program. We had put some monetization on our videos. So if you had watched our videos previously from last year into February, before February 20th, you'd have seen ads on our videos. Now YouTube has created a new program to set up.
Well, we should probably tell them what it was before.
Right.
So in order for you to start getting ads on your channel previously, when we just started last year, you had to have at least 10,000 views. So when we surpassed that, we realized that ads were starting to come on our videos, and that was pretty exciting. But then, as Sean said, that they changed their rules in the
partnership program. Right. So now you have to have 1,000 subscribers or what? 4,000 hours?
4,000 hours of watch time.
Right, of watch time.
Yeah.
So we basically we can't monetize our videos anymore, so we can't make any money from the ad. So far for the year, we have made $11.14 US. We can't touch that money because you have to be over a certain amount in order to get
the money off YouTube.
But I think that was something that we would want to look forward to say, we have some ads and we can make a little change from the side from YouTube videos, so they change it up on us, but really and truly, we are not looking to wanting to get
it's not
much.
only about the money. For us, we genuinely like doing YouTube videos. We enjoy going out and seeing you guys and sharing this content with you guys. So that wouldn't stop.
It's not going to stop us.
It's unfortunate, but it's not gonna stop.
Right.
So that was another, little bump in the road. Another thing sometimes is maneuvering the camera. You guys may know or may not know. That is us. We are the production team. It's just me and Sean. So, there's nobody behind the camera holding it, adjusting it, focusing it. We all have to do everything on our own. And sometimes, people are walking through when you're trying to film something at a particular place. Sometimes the lighting change. Sometimes the rain start fall, and you have to just adjust.
Yeah, the art festival we were filming, and these guys were walking in the shots.
And people staring and stuff like that. So those are some of the things.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But we try our best to put out something good and cut out not necessary and stuff. Also, what happened for this year was I lost my external hard drive. All my files were gone.
So the light changing right there.
Yeah, the light changing. Everything that I had, everything was gone. So fortunately, what I never did was to delete the footages of my memory stick, so I was able to still have content and put them out seeing me. Thank God. Because the show would have,
So all of these things happen behind the scenes, and you guys don't know how we're really pushing to ensure that you guys get the videos and get the content, because we really know that we have some diehard supporters out there who really love us and who really look forward. Last week when we never have our video, so many people were messaging and saying, "Warm to the video, I'm here sitting waiting on that link," and stuff like that. So we really know that you guys enjoy what we're doing, and that to me is a huge payoff. That's a huge thing to know that the content that you're putting out, people actually appreciate it and people actually look forward to seeing it and actually really support it and love it.
Yeah.
So that's an awesome feeling.
But there are still good things that
of course, and that's one of the
enjoy.
good things about it, so the payoff, the support and the
But
comments. And
just
stuff.
to go to different places and eat the food and get the experience was good. Like some places that we go to food, it's like ton up, like but some places
it wasn't on that.
yeah.
But,
and just the challenges that we did together, it was, trust me, it's fun just to do the challenges between us.
Yes, sometimes maybe one day we'll show you guys all the bloopers. I know we posted a blooper one time, people were like dying with laughter. That's just the half. Maybe one day we'll just include some bloopers
she
in our.
enough trouble. Like I'm just filming and I'm like, she's just all over the place. But
He gives a lot of trouble. I know you guys are Team Debbie. If you guys are Team Debbie, just comment Team Debbie. If you're Team Debbie. If you're Team Sean, don't comment
if you
anything.
know who she is,
don't comment anything.
You see this right now? But it was fun.
It has been fun.
Right, and something special happened within the year as well. We got engaged.
Yes, we got engaged. High five.
Yeah, showdown.
If you like it, you should.
So that's a big step for us. Coming into a new year.
Yeah.
You know what? We want to share as much as we can with you guys.
Yeah.
We might not share everything, but we want to share as much with you guys.
So maybe some wedding videos and stuff like that will come out soon.
When the time comes. Soon, when the time comes.
When the time comes, as you said, you know. So yeah, you guys can look out for different things. You know, we'll be sharing more of our lives with you guys. Not everything, but you know, we'll be sharing a little bit more.
We want to take it up a notch. Hopefully, for the next season, for the next year, we can actually like make the production even better as much as possible. You understand? So we'll be working and we'll be getting good content. You will be getting good content. You'll be getting better views of food because people are like, share the food some more. You know, so we'll try and go out and get the shot list. I said, okay, we're going to make sure we share the food. If we're chicken and dumpling, but we want to share all of that and showcase as much as possible of the places that we visit and the things that we do, and try to incorporate your suggestions as well, because we have incorporated a lot of suggestions.
Yes, and we thank you for your suggestions. We haven't gotten to every single one of them, but we will get there. Just stick along for the ride.
Yes.
You will see your suggestion on here very, very, very soon.
Right. So basically, that's us. 1 year review.
Yeah, 1 year.
That's our anniversary.
Wish us happy anniversary in
yes,
the comment.
Anniversary 1 year. We make it to 1 year. It was a lot of people don't go 1 year, but we try and we'll make it to the 1 year. We'll go for next year. So keep us in your prayers and big us up and share our videos so more people can see it. Yep. Who knows? We can get some big sponsorship out the road.
That's definitely where we're planning to go, getting some good sponsorship.
Yes.
And bringing out better,
quality,
clearer quality
good stuff. Even though we do put out good stuff now, but we want
even better. There's always
much. Yes. So we know everybody wants some giveaways. We know you want to win some prize.
You know we always have a giveaway at the end of our season. That is our signature thing to do.
Right, give us something to the fans.
Yes, and it's a special giveaway this time too because it's our anniversary.
Yes, anniversary. So we want to do at least 3 giveaways for this season. And we are going to use our social media platform. We're not going to use YouTube this year or this time. We're going to do it on our Instagram page, and we are going to
start a Facebook page so you guys can follow us on Facebook and you can share our content on Facebook as well.
Right, so
it'll be easier for you to share. So look out for that on YaadMentz on Facebook, on YaadMentz on Instagram. All the rules and everything will be there.
Right? So we're going to post the on Instagram and on Facebook, so you see the rules and what we want you to do, and not to give away, but it's basically about the year in review.
So the questions will be based on
different videos and stuff. So look out for that. It's open to everybody. Well, if you live in Jamaica, because it's easier for you to get the prize, and most of the prizes is for places out here.
In Jamaica,
so if you're in Jamaica,
So thank you guys for being along with us this journey, this 1 year journey. We really appreciate the love, as we always say. We really do appreciate it, guys. And we're looking forward to what 2018 will bring, what season 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will bring. And we hope that you guys will be along with us for the journey. Thanks a million. Thanks a lot. We will see you in the next season. Well, you'll see us in the giveaway. The one where we announce who the giveaway will be. I don't know. But if we're going to put up the name, you will see us when you see us.
There's a lot more to come, trust me. You never know, but we're going to give YaadMentz some big things to come. So again,
like, subscribe, share, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YaadMentz,
and look out. Yeah, that's your Facebook. Yeah, you said
Yeah.
YaadMentz. Follow us on YaadMentz.
On Facebook. YaadMentz on Facebook. Guys, we will see you in the next video because we're rounding.
Yes. So thank you again. Now pick up YaadMentz.
Bye.